to the FOMO Summer Special. This is actually my first episode, and it's hot outside, but it's even hotter in crypto. And today we've got someone who's no stranger to the heart of innovation, blockchain brilliance. Please welcome the one and the only Miss Maria Andersen.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much
me.
for granting me this podcast. Yes, for those who doesn't know, she's a visionary, a builder, and a voice that we trust in Web3 space. Well-known crypto content creator, KOL, has been active since 2020, especially on YouTube. How are you today, Maria?
Amazing. A bit of heat outside, but it's fine. It's fine.
I just want to know what first got you into the world of crypto and Web3.
First, it was back in 2020, as you said, and I was creating content actually about the stock market. And then, I realized, the stock market is a bit boring for me. It not moves that fast as crypto.
Yes.
And then I realized, so there is Bitcoin, there are some altcoins, and then this crazy NFT situation happened, crypto gaming, a lot of things. So this is how I'm in this space.
Yes, you started in what do you call this, stock market, and then you moved into crypto space. Yeah. Fantastic. Describe your aha moment when you realized this space is the future.
Well, I think it was back in 2021, something like this, when I realized, wow, we have also meme coins.
Yes.
By the way, guys, I don't recommend you to play with memes. It's very risky. It's very risky, so be careful with that. But back then, I realized, wow, I can make 10x, 100x, 1000x with my money. It's not possible anymore. I think so. But back then, I was very happy.
Because, I know everybody follows you, and you always post of some meme coins, which when you go up and you were down. So what's your summer vibe like this year, like balancing work and play in the crypto world?
The crypto market is crazy right now, so I just cannot chill, unfortunately. We have these roller coasters, well, as always, but this time is a bit different because, Bitcoin is hitting all-time high. All the altcoins, I don't know where they are going. And I'm not chilling. I'm just working.
I know you have a lot of projects going on, but now can you please tell us your current or what are you building or supporting right now?
Well, now I'm building with my 5 ladies. 5 in total.
I actually saw that.
You know that, right? So we started ladies only, women only crypto podcast where we discuss trading, investing, and men in crypto. This is something controversial.
I'm excited.
So we already have our first episode, and we are planning to create a lot of content about that.
Okay, is that on YouTube as well or social media platforms?
Yeah, YouTube, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, everything.
Okay, so what excites you most about the future of blockchain this year or any trends you are watching closely?
So every year, basically, not only this year, I'm so excited. I'm still in this space for more than 5 years. I'm still here. I'm still building, creating even more content, doing even more, educational content and fun content about crypto. And I'm so excited because eventually every business will be tokenized.
Yes.
You will see it, guys. Everything will be tokenized. Everything will be on the blockchain. Everything will every business will implement AI. Like we're in the beginning of such an exciting future. And if you are not a part of it, you are missing a lot. Not financial advice.
Yes, it's true, guys. If you are not into the space yet, means you are missing a lot.
No.
So how do you approach educating people who feel overwhelmed by crypto?
It is overwhelming because there's so much information online.
Yes.
And it's only you who have to filter this information. Like what I always recommend, please don't follow hundreds of creators, don't follow hundreds of different accounts. Pick at least, 5, 10 people maybe, or news sources whom you trust.
Yes.
Whom you just, maybe you have some good relations with this type of person or news sources, or maybe it's close to you somehow. So pick several. Don't be everywhere.
Yes.
Don't be everywhere. It's kind of hard to filter this situation. So yeah.
Yes. Don't follow anybody, just follow Maria.
Maybe.
Okay, do you think mass adoption is closer than we think, or do we still have a long road ahead?
No, of course, it's already here. Like,
Yes.
let's say here in Dubai, we already have like taxis.
Yes, it's true.
Taxis accepting crypto payments. Like, you can buy real estate with crypto here. You can buy
Tickets.
watches, whatever.
Flights.
Yeah.
Yes, it's true. And what's something in crypto you think people are sleeping on this summer?
Like they are missing or something?
Yes.
Well, they are missing Bitcoin, obviously, if they're not into it.
For those who doesn't have Bitcoin yet. So how much is the Bitcoin when you first bought it?
It was below 10K, definitely.
Ooh.
Yeah. I'm not like many people who bought it below $1. I have one friend who bought it below $1, but
still.
at least I bought Bitcoin below 10K.
It's just
Yeah.
10K, and now it's 100K plus,
yeah,
and
yeah.
the all-time high is what, 120 plus. So have you ever had a FOMO on a project that you didn't join or wish you had? Can you tell us what it is?
I don't remember. It was definitely crazy meme coin, but we all know that meme coins are so crazy. You can be late even if you are like 24 hours after it was launched. So you have to be so fast. Of course, I had FOMO.
Okay. Can you tell us what coin is that?
I don't know, because there are millions of meme coins I don't even remember. Some
right.
frog coin or cat coin or dog coin or whatever.
Speaking of a coin, have you heard of Satoshi.ai?
Yes,
Yes.
it's a nice thing.
Yes, it's a serious AI crypto search. And have you tried using that already?
Yes, I
Okay.
checked some info about me.
Yes, it
And
was there.
It was right. It was right.
Okay, if you could go back and whisper one thing to your Web3 newbie self, yes, what would it be?
It would be just one thing. Buy more Bitcoin, Maria, please. One thing.
Okay, buy one more Bitcoin.
Yes.
Okay, so
Why not?
it's still early though, right? Do you think Bitcoin will hit at least 500K to 1M?
I mean, it's not financial advice, of course,
Yes.
guys. It's not going to happen tomorrow. It's not going to happen maybe in 1 year. But Bitcoin was programmed kind of to suck in all the money in the world
Yes.
eventually. Not tomorrow. Don't expect Bitcoin to make 10x like in 1
Yes.
week. But eventually, of course, the price of Bitcoin will be $1 million, $2 million per
Yes.
coin, and maybe even more.
Do you have any idea who Satoshi Nakamoto is right now?
Right now,
Yeah.
We always
Like,
have
do you have
some-
any idea?
we always have some controversial theories,
Yeah.
but I'm not thinking about it because this person or group of people,
Yes.
they created a genius technology, and we all appreciate it, and we all learn more about it every single day, and it does not even matter.
Yes,
Anymore.
it's true. As long as you have your Bitcoin with you.
Of course.
Okay, what's next for you, Maria? Any launches or events or alpha coins to buy?
Alpha coins to buy, guys, I cannot recommend you because, it all depends on your financial situation, how you treat your risk management. Be careful in crypto. Don't go all in. Don't trade all your money that you have, because I have so many sad stories that people are messaging me, like, I bought this coin, it went 99% down. Of course, it's crypto. It's super volatile. So for me personally, I will be definitely tracking the market, tracking all the new trends like RWA and all those, fancy stuff that's happening. Of course, I will be attending many, many crypto events, and I'm
Yes.
sure we will see each other
Yes,
there.
it's still early, because it's summer.
Yeah.
A lot of things happening.
Yeah.
But this year, I know there's a lot of events that will be going on.
Oh, I'm so ready.
And I can see that your son is also into the Web3 space. So how did you put him into that position?
You know, he is, but he loves also some different things, not only crypto. I thought he will be very excited about crypto. Well, he is, but he loves more like real world businesses now.
Yeah.
He's just 15, so he has time to experiment, and I'm fine with that. And he just sees me every day trading or creating content about crypto or doing some crypto stuff. So, of course, he's into this space also with me.
Yes.
But he's interested also in some real world businesses like real estate, restaurants. I don't know.
What is the best advice that you gave your son before?
I want him to learn out of his own mistakes. So he made recently, last summer, he made some money on meme coins.
Yeah.
And then imagine, he spent almost all this money on his girlfriends. And you know what? And I did not stop him. I'm like, okay, let him learn. And now he says, after 1 year, he says, I learned my mistake. I would never do that again. So you see.
And how about you? How's your heart? Are you single or?
Oh,
yeah.
That's an
it's off the topic, but yeah.
I am single.
And you don't have any. Yeah, we don't. I mean, like it's better, right? To be single than.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't have time for it. I said Bitcoin is my boyfriend. So
Bitcoin, meme coin, and Bitcoin. Meme coin is the other. Okay,
True.
Thank you so much, Maria. And complete this sentence. The future of Web3 is blank.
Is bank?
Blank.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's definitely not bank. Okay, so the future of Web3 is freedom, decentralization. Should I say one word?
It's up to you.
Yeah.
It's okay, in general.
Is your personal financial freedom. Learn more about Web3, guys. It's not that hard to understand.
All right. Yes, that's okay. Maria, do you have anything to promote or
go follow me, guys. If you will like what I do, follow me. You don't have to, obviously, right?
But you have to.
No,
if you want some alpha or anything.
Just if you like some simple crypto educational content and fun content also about crypto, follow me. But remember, I'm not financial advisor. Everything I share is just my personal experience from my personal life, and everything I share on my socials are just, videos that I think might be useful to hear to some people.
I think the Waze is still waiting.
I think, my navigator is still thinking that I'm driving somewhere.
Thank you, Maria. Thank you so much for granting me my first episode of FOMO special. And thank you for dropping knowledge bombs and good vibes on this summer special. For those watching, if you're not following Maria yet, guys, what are you even doing? Stay tuned, stay curious, and remember, in crypto, if you're not early, you're FOMOing. This is me, Krista Tumuns, together with Maria Andersen. See you on the next episode of FOMO, the Summer Special.